Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide app notifications on your Android phone so you can stop annoying pop-ups without deleting the app. Whether it's social media spam or game alerts, this method keeps things clean and quiet. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap Notifications. This may vary depending on your phone model. Then tap App Notifications to view the full list. Choose the app you want to silence. You could immediately silence the app by toggling its notifications to off, or you could customize notifications by tapping on the app name. From here, you can turn off all notifications by toggling the switch at the top, or you can fine-tune things, like turning off banner pop-ups but keeping silent badges. If you want to go stealth mode, look for the silent option or minimize setting. This hides the alerts from your lock screen and status bar without blocking them completely. Take note that again, the settings may vary depending on the phone model. And that's how you hide app notifications in Android. Thanks for watching.